Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you CRUD operation with Firebase Firestore in React.js. Here I'm going to add a first name, it's demo. Here this is last name, and I'm going to click create. Here data is added, and yeah, here I'm going to refresh this page. Here we have detail. Inside detail we have one ID. Here we have demo and data. This is F and F name, and this is L name. Okay, and I'm going to add one more data. This is 1 and this is 2 means, and here I'm going to click create. Here another one is added, and I'm going to click edit. Here demo 1 and this is data 1. Okay, here I'm going to click update. Go to Firebase. Here data is updated, demo 1, this is data 1, this is 1 and 2. Okay, and I'm going to delete this 1 and 2. Okay, I mean this first one. Yeah, first one is deleted. Go to Firebase. Here we have only one ID, and demo 1 and data 1 is present. Okay, yeah, let's start. Open firebase.google.com and click get started. Before that you need to create your own account. Here click this add project. You can give your project name. This is Firebase YT, and click continue. I don't want any of those, and click create project. Yeah, click continue. Here our project is created, Firebase YT. Okay, now I'm going to click this web because I'm going to connect this Firebase into web app. Here you can give nickname for that project, Firebase data, and click register app. Need to install Firebase, so copy this and install in your project. In my case I already installed, and after that I'm going to copy this importation, and here I already created a React project and also I'm running this project. Okay, I'm going to use these 3 files. Here I'm going to design, and I'm going to add Firebase details here, and I'm going to use this style. Okay, and yeah, inside config file I'm going to paste that in initialize app, and I'm going to copy this till this and paste it here, and after that I'm going to import Firebase and Firestore. Import Firebase / Firestore, and I'm going to create a get Firestore. Okay, I'm going to use this, copy this, and after that I'm going to create a const. This is database, and here to paste that get Firestore. I'm going to copy this and pass here, and I'm going to export this. Okay, export, and I'm going to copy this and save this file and go to Firebase Firestore. Yeah, I'm going to import the database here. Import paste the database from / this config file. Okay, before that we need to create 2 input fields. Input, here I'm going to create on change, and before that I need to create a 2 state. One is for first name, another one is for last name. Okay, const here f name, set f name, use state it's empty. I'm going to duplicate this for one more time. This is L name. Okay, and yeah, this too, and yeah, I'm going to copy this, and here I'm going to pass get the event here, and I'm going to paste that set f name. Here I'm going to pass e dot target dot value, and yeah, I'm going to pass a value here. This is f name. Okay, and I'm going to duplicate this for one more time. this is L name, this is also okay. And after that I'm going to create a button. This is create, and I'm going to create a on click for this. Here to create a handle click or a handle create. I'm going to copy this, and here I'm going to create a sync arrow function. Okay, paste that function here. Sync. Yeah, now you need to create a database name. I mean this name detail, like detail. Okay, you can give a one here const, this is value. Here I'm going to use a collection from Firebase Firestore. Okay, here inside a collection I'm going to pass this database. Okay, pass that, and you can give your database name here demo. Okay, demo, and I'm going to copy this inside create. Await, we are going to use add top to, I mean insert data from Firebase. Okay, here I'm going to pass that this value and our first name and last name. Okay, inside object you can give name and pass this. Okay, and L name and L name. Okay, or you can give name 1, this is name 2. Okay, save this and go to browser. I'm going to refresh this page. Here we got 2 input fields. Yeah, before that you need to complete this Firebase setup. Continue to console. Inside build, choose Firebase database, click create database, starting with the production mode, and click next, and yeah, enable. Here our database is created. Inside rules we are going to allow read write is true. Okay, and click publish. Here our changes is published, and again click data, and inside our project I'm going to give 1 and this is 2, and click create. I'm going to Firebase. Here I'm going to refresh this page. Yeah, we have database name demo and one ID. Yeah, first name 1 and name 2 is created. Yeah, successfully we insert the data in the Firebase. Now I'm going to get this data. Before this I'm going to create user fact. Yeah, I'm going to create one function inside the user fact. Here I'm going to use await. I'm going to get data from Firebase. Yeah, get docs. Okay, this is used to get data from Firebase. We need to pass this value because this is our database detail. Okay, and after this I'm going to copy this, and I need to call after this, and I'm going to create one state. This is val, and set val to state. This is an array. Okay, yeah, I'm going to create a const. This is db value. Okay, I'm going to push this db value in this array, copy this and paste it here, and db val. Before that I need to map this. Okay, dot docs dot map because I want to push one by one in this array. Here I give doc and to create a object to spread this doc. Okay, doc dot data. Inside this doc dot data we get first name, last name. Okay, also I'm going to pass the ID here. Here doc dot id. Okay, and save this. Yeah, I'm going to map this value. Val. After this I'm going to paste this val dot map here values. Okay, inside values I'm going to create a div, and this is h1. Inside h1 I'm going to copy this values here, values dot name 1, and I'm going to duplicate this for one more time. This is name 2. Okay, and save this. Go here. Yeah, we got a value from Firebase, this one. Okay, I'm going to add one more. Okay, here 111, and this is, I'm going to create here values added. Okay, and I'm going to update and delete this value. Okay, so we need to first I delete the value. Here I'm going to create a button. This is delete, and on click handle delete. I'm going to pass the val.id, values.id, and I'm going to copy this and after this const again async I'm going to get id here. Yeah, inside delete I'm going to use a doc. This is Firebase inbuilt function, it's imported here, and I'm going to pass a database details. Okay, this one, this config details. Okay, I'm going to pass this inside the doc, and also our database name is demo, this one. Copy this and paste it here, and we need to pass this id, data id, and here to create const delete val, and I'm going to copy this. After this I'm going to create delete, I'm going to use this delete doc. This is also a Firebase inbuilt function. This is used to delete data. Okay, save this, and before that we need to add a wait, and yeah, save this. Now I'm going to refresh this page. Here I'm going to click delete. Here, yeah, data is delete. Here we have only one id and data. I'm going to delete these two, this one. Here our database is empty. Okay, I'm going to add and click create. Yeah, databases, data is inserted. I'm going to update this data. Okay, so we need to create a button. This is edit, and this is edit. Okay, and I'm going to pass id and values dot name 1 and values dot name 2, and I'm going to copy this, and after this I'm going to create const, and here I'm going to get id first name and name 1 and name 2. Okay, here id name 1. Okay, name 1 and name 2, and yeah, we need to set these values in state. We have f name and last name, and we need to create one state for id. Okay, inside edit I'm going to set these three values in state. Okay, so here I'm going to set f name copy this and paste it here. I'm going to duplicate this for one more time. This is L name. Okay, I'm going to set this edit value in this state. Okay, in this state, and this is 2, and we need to set the ID in one state. So we need to create one state to set ID here, ID, and copy this and paste it here. I'm going to pass ID here, and we need to create a update button here. I'm going to change this create to update. This is update, and I'm going to copy this, and after this I'm going to create one state for update value. Okay, async, yeah, and I'm going to create one state to show the update button. Okay, const show state show. Okay, initially it's false, and copy this. Yeah, first I'm going to copy this. Initially we are not going to show this update button. Okay, if it is shows false means we are going to display this, else this. Okay, save this. Here initially it's showing create. When user click edit, here value setted, and we need to show the update button here. So we need to inside handle edit, we are going to set show as true. Save this. I'm going to refresh this page. Here if I click edit, here it's showing update button. Okay, and if I click, type something, and if I click update, we need to update this data. Okay, so yeah, inside update I'm going to create const, this is update data. Here I'm going to use doc, and database I'm going to pass a database name. Our database name is demo. Copy that and add here, and we need to pass this ID because we are going to update this ID. Okay, and paste it here. After that I'm going to use await. Here I'm going to use update doc. This is used to update our data. This is also a Firebase inbuilt function. Here it's imported here, and I'm going to pass this value, this, and I'm going to pass the onChange value. Okay, here I'm going to pass name one is this f name. Okay, where it is, yeah, it's here. I'm going to pass name 2 is L name, this one. Okay, this is L name. I'm going to save this, go to browser, I'm going to update this value, click edit. Here value is changed. Here I'm going to change this to this and click update. Here value is updated, but this we need to show after update. We need to empty this field, and we are going to show a create button here. Okay, so we need to copy this, and after edit, update, we are going to change this to false. We are going to display a create button here, and also after update we are going to empty string for this first name and last name, and save this and refresh this page. Here to add something and click create. Here value is added. To edit this, here I'm going to remove and this and update. Here value is updated. Here update button is changed to create, and these fields are empty. Okay, and I'm going to delete this. Here value is deleted. Something I'm going to add, and I'm going to click update, create. After create, we need to empty this fields. Okay, that is, I'm going to copy this, paste it here, to edit this to 1 and update this, and I'm going to change this to 1 and this is 2. Okay, I'm going to update this. I'm going to browser, refresh this page. Here it's loading. Here we have two IDs. This is 1 and 2. This one. Okay, and I'm going to click this. Here it's showing 1 and 2 in number. Okay, we have stored this values. This is what I try to tell in this video. I think this video will help you. Bye bye.